Are you torn between VMware, VirtualBox, Hyper-V, and QEMU for your virtualization needs? Let's delve into the ultimate showdown of features, performance, and usability to help you choose the best fit for your projects. What specific aspects are you most interested in comparing? So hey guys, and welcome. In this video where I will show you how you can choose the best virtual machine. So first of all, we have here VMware.com. We have the second one, which is called VirtualBox, Hyper-V, and QEMU. So the first one, we have VMware. So choosing the right virtualization platform can be challenging, especially with options like VMware, VirtualBox, Hyper-V, and QEMU on the table. Each offers unique features and capabilities, catering to different needs. Whether you are an enterprise user, a developer, or a hobbyist, in this comparison, we will break down the strengths and weaknesses to help you find the perfect fit for your virtualization project. Let's dive in. So we have the first one, which is called VMware. So this is the homepage we have here, the smarter way to cloud. Our private cloud solution delivers the security and agility enterprises need, supported by technologies for applications, its infrastructure, and private EA. So VMware is a leading virtualization platform that enables users to create and manage multiple virtual machines on a single physical server. Then if we scroll down, we will find here introducing VMware Cloud Foundation. What involves the future of VMware Cloud Foundation, the business value of VMware Cloud Foundation, and also cloud solutions for your business, a platform cloud infrastructure, networking, security, software-defined edge, and we have here trending topics like EPM and VMware help enterprises adopt to native EA, announcing general availability of VMware Private EA Foundation with NVIDIA. Then we have VMware Cloud Foundation total cost of ownership, white paper. Also, sovereign clouds, new developer data, and security services. So its benefits include enhanced resource utilization, improved scalability, and reduced security features, making it ideal for enterprise environments. VMware's tools such as vSphere facilitate effective management of virtual resources, ensuring high availability and disaster recovery. Additionally, its seamless integration with cloud services allows organizations to adopt hybrid cloud strategies, optimizing IT infrastructure while supporting innovation and agility. So that's it for VMware, and let's move on to the next one, which is called VirtualBox.org. So this one, we have here powerful open source virtualization for personal and enterprise use. If you want to get started, you have to click over download and you download your VirtualBox binaries and platform packages. Then we have your personal and enterprise use. So VirtualBox is an open source virtualization software developed by Oracle that allows users to run multiple operating systems on a single physical machine. So if you scroll down, you will find here community. Become a part of the VirtualBox community, discuss and solve problems in the forums, access test builds, and more. Then you have documentation and training. If you also scroll down, you will find here join the VirtualBox community. Millions of users actively use VirtualBox. So its key benefits include being cost effective as it's free to use and offering broad compatibility with various host systems like Windows, macOS, and Linux. VirtualBox features an intuitive interface, Snapchat capabilities for easy state restoration, and seamless integration with the host system, which enhances productivity with support for a wide range of case operating systems and an active community for resources. VirtualBox is a versatile choice for developers and teach enthusiasts alike. Then let's move on to the next one, which is called Hyper-V. So I have here introduction to Hyper-V on Windows. So Hyper-V is a virtualization platform developed by Microsoft that allows users to create and manage virtual machines on Windows Server and Windows 10. So The first column we found here reasons to use virtualization, system requirements, also operating systems you can run in a virtual machine, and differences between Hyper-V on Windows and Hyper-V on Windows Server. And so its benefits include tight integration with the Windows ecosystem, enabling seamless management through familiar tools like PowerShell and System Center. Hyper-V offers features such as live migration, which allows virtual machines to move between hosts without downtime, and robust security options like shielded virtual machines. Additionally, it supports nested virtualization and containerization, making it ideal for both enterprise environments and development scenarios, while providing scalability and high availability for demanding workloads. So this is how it works with Hyper-V, and let's move on to the next one, which is called QEMU. So here we have a generic and open source machine emulator and virtualizer. QEMU is an open source machine emulator and virtualizer that enables users to run multiple operating systems on various hardware architectures. Its key benefits include flexibility as it supports a wide range of case OS types and architectures from ARM. So here we have also full system emulation, user mode emulation, virtualization also. Contact with the information and you get started. We have also a full list of releases and the latest releases. So its benefits by QEMU can operate in two modes. First, as a full system emulator for running and modified guest operating systems, and as a lightweight virtualizer when paired with QVM kernel-based virtual machines. For improved performance, it's highly configurable and can be integrated into cloud and container environments, making it a powerful choice for developers and researchers seeking an adaptable virtualization solution. So I think VMware is the best one because it's often recorded as the best virtualization platform for enterprise environments due to its robust features including high availability, disaster recovery, and seamless cloud integration. Its vSphere management capabilities optimize resource allocation and performance in their heavy workloads, while strong security measures protect sensitive data. Additionally, VMware supports hybrid cloud strategies, making it ideal for organizations seeking flexibility and innovation. Overall, its performance and comprehensive support make VMware a top choice for serious virtualization needs. So this is how it works with VMware, VirtualBox, Hyper-V, and QEMU. And this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.